Welcome back to The Family Traveling. In this video, we'll be talking about the top 5 places to visit in California with you and your family. From the bustling cities of San Francisco and Los Angeles to the natural beauty of Yosemite and Lake Tahoe, California has something for everyone of all ages. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5, Los Angeles. Also known as the City of Angels, it's home to some of the most famous landmarks in the world. You can be in Hollywood, the entertainment capital, where you can take a tour of Warner Brothers Studios, visit TCL's Chinese Theater, or see the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Santa Monica Pier, it's a very popular attraction with its Ferris wheel, roller coaster, and street performers. Everyone knows Beverly Hills, an affluent neighborhood known for its high-end shopping, restaurants, and celebrity sightings. You could also pay a visit down to the Getty Center, an art museum with a vast collection of European paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts. Or head down to the Griffith Observatory. It's an iconic observatory seen in numerous movies, where you can learn about astronomy and enjoy breathtaking views of the city. Number 4 on our list is Lake Tahoe. It's a large freshwater lake located in the Sierra Nevada mountains and is a popular year-round vacation destination. The California-Nevada state line runs through the middle of the lake, and if you're on the Nevada side, there's casinos. Emerald Bay State Park is located on the west side of Lake Tahoe, with stunning views of the lake as well as hiking trails, a historic mansion, boating, swimming, and Fannet Island in the middle of the bay. There's also the Heavenly Ski Resort. This is going to be your wintertime travel, but the ski resort offers some of the best skiing in California, with panoramic views of Lake Tahoe from the slopes. Can't go wrong. Then San Harbor, a scenic beach on the east shore of Lake Tahoe, with crystal clear waters and plenty of activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming. Then there is the Tahoe Rim Trail, a 165-mile hiking trail that circles Lake Tahoe with stunning views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Number 3, San Diego. San Diego is a beautiful coastal city with many attractions for visitors of all ages. The San Diego Zoo is known to be one of the best zoos in the world, with over 3,500 animals, including lions, pandas, elephants, and giraffes from all over. There's also Balboa Park. This is where many of the museums and gardens are located. There's also the USS Midway Museum, a museum on an aircraft carrier that served in the U.S. Navy over 47 years ago, with exhibits and interactive displays that'll showcase the life of how it is to be in the Navy. Then there is the Gaslamp Quarter, a historic district in downtown San Diego with many bars, restaurants, and shops, perfect for your nightlife. On the northern side of San Diego, we have La Jolla Cove, very picturesque beach with crystal clear water and a cove full of seals and sea lions, tide pools for you and the kids to play and learn. And then my family's personal favorite, Mission Beach. It's a popular beach community known for its wide sandy beach. Has a very cool boardwalk with a roller coaster and Ferris wheel, fun rides for the family, and it all sits right there on the waterfront, so you can get in your surfing, swimming, or tanning, or whatever you expect out of the beach. Number 2 on our list is Yosemite National Park, a World Heritage Site, and is one of the most popular national parks in the United States. This park is known for its stunning scenery, its waterfalls, granite cliffs, and giant sequoia trees. Some of the highlights in Yosemite include the Yosemite National Valley, a glacial valley with iconic landmarks such as El Capitan, Half Dome, Yosemite Falls, and this may be considered the heart of Yosemite. Then there's the Mariposa Grove, a grove of giant sequoia trees, some which are over 3,000 years old. Then there's Glacier Point, a viewpoint that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the park. You can see Yosemite Valley and Half Dome from here. And then Yosemite Falls, a series of waterfalls that are the highest in North America, with a total drop of 2,425 feet. Great place to camp, rent a cabin, or stay in a hotel. And number 1, San Francisco. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in California. The city is famous for its iconic Golden Gate bridges, which span over 1.7 miles and is one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. San Francisco is also known for its cable cars, which run up and down the steep hills of the city. Other highlights of San Francisco include the Fisherman's Wharf, a popular tourist attraction where you can enjoy fresh seafood, its famous sea lions at Pier 39, or take a ferry ride to Alcatraz Island. Alcatraz Island, being a small island 1.25 miles offshore from San Francisco, in 1934 became one of America's most notorious prisons. The prison was closed in 1963. There's also Chinatown, the largest known Chinatown outside of Asia, with colorful buildings, shops, and restaurants. One of my favorite places there is the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco. It's a science museum located in Golden Gate Park. Features aquariums, planetarium, natural history museum, and a rainforest exhibit that's 3 stories tall. The museum's interactive exhibits highlight the diversity of life on Earth, and they also tackle the tough issues such as climate change. They have a living roof, and it's a very popular exhibit. It's covered with over 2 million native California plants. Well, there you have it, folks. California is a vast and diverse state with many amazing places to visit. These are just 5 destinations, but this makes up just the tip of the whole iceberg of all the places that you can see in California. Whether you're interested in natural wonders, big cities, deserts, or coastal towns, California has something for everyone. Like and subscribe if you got value from this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one with the family traveling.